Good morning, students. Welcome to today's information technology class. Students, we are studying about the chapter electronic spreadsheet. Did you watch the two videos which I posted on Tuesday? Yes, that's good. So in this chapter, in this unit, we are studying about one of the spreadsheet program called LibreOffice Calc. What is this spreadsheet program? What are its uses? In what way it is helpful for us? And we studied the LibreOffice Calc window and its parts of the window and the parts of the window, and we studied functions of each parts in the first video class. And in the Tuesday's video class, we studied about how to enter data. We can basically enter how many types of data? Three types of data, like, yes, labels, numbers, how do we call it as values and formulas. So these are the three types of data we can enter, right? And we studied about how to enter formulas. We studied about how to enter formulas. Formula we can enter in two ways. We studied directly with the values, okay, like is equal to 5 plus 10, is equal to 12 into 12, is equal to 12 by 4. Directly we have written the numbers, values we have written. That is the first method of writing formula. The second method of writing formula is using cell addresses, like is equal to B1 plus C1 or B1 minus C1 or D1 into E1. Likewise, we can use a cell address. Okay, so formulas we have written in two ways. One with the values directly, another one with a cell address. Okay, then what else we studied? Where when the formula it's not applicable, when the things whatever you want to calculate becomes in a larger range, what do? We have to go with functions. We have to go with functions, and we studied about how to write functions, right? And there are different types of functions are there, like sum. Okay, to add the values we use the sum function. We have an average function, right? Then we have a product, maximum, minimum, and count functions. And in what different ways we can write or use these functions also we studied. And we studied about the basic mathematical operators like a plus, minus, multiplication, division, and exponent, and the operator precedence like a Bodmas rule we studied. So I hope the concept is clear for all the students. Am I right? That's good. In this row, we are going to study the next concept called formatting the worksheet. So formatting, what does mean by formatting? Formatting means making it attractive. It's called formatting. So we are going to format the worksheet today. So that I'll teach you through the practical session. Got it? Okay, so today we will be winding up this chapter. So all of you students listen to this formatting options carefully and also do the exercise questions, whatever or practice questions, whatever comes in between the unit, try to do it. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can just message me. Well, students, let's get back to practical session. Welcome back to practical session, dear students. So now we are going to see about formatting the cells. We are studying about LibreOffice Calc. In this Calc, how to format the cells. Okay. So as you know, what is meant by formatting? Formatting means just making it attractive. So how can we make it as attractive? Making our text data in a bold handwriting, applying colors, borders, and everything, we can make it attractive, which is called formatting. Let us see the formatting options given in your text. Okay, so let me open the text. So I'm going to electronic spreadsheet. Here comes formatting the worksheet. Okay, so can you all see the screen? Yes. So from that soft copy itself, I'll teach you. Okay, then only you will understand more clearly. Okay, and you can also study it later. See, we are going to study about formatting the worksheet. Not only the cells, the worksheet itself we are going to format. So the worksheet, you see the worksheet. What does mean by worksheet? Which consists of rows and columns. So when the rows and columns intersect, we are getting a cell. So in each and every cell, we are entering the data. Am I right? So what type of data we are entering in a cell? Do you remember? Yes, we are entering three types of data. What are the types of data? Yes, it may be a text data, or it may be a number data, that is a numeric values. Otherwise, it may be formulas. So any one of these we will be entering in each and every cell. Okay, so we are entering data in a cell. So we can format these data using format tab and cells option. Using format menu, and from the format menu you have to select cells. If you select cells, you can do different types of formatting options. Okay, so some of the formatting options are, let me explain you here, which are very familiar to you. You are studying from standard 5. Okay, so font. So what is mean by font? Apply different font types on a worksheet. So we can apply different types of handwriting styles, that is called font. Then second one, font face, sorry, font size. So you can apply different sizes. Okay, so you can see here this handwriting, use of dialog boxes to format values. You see the size of this heading and size of the text given below. Do you see the changes? The size differs. Similarly, we can just change the size of the text what we are written in the cell. Then we can make it as a bold, we can make it as italic handwriting. If it is required, we can underline, and we can use the alignment. So left alignment, center, right alignment, three types of alignments we can do. And also we can do increasing the decimal places and decreasing the decimal places. Sometimes we may want, if you are using a decimal value, okay, sometimes you may want to reduce the decimal value up to 2 places. Okay, so after multiplying or dividing, you are getting answer like 7.53932. So after decimal, you are having a 6-digit number, but you want to reduce it into 2 fields. That you can just do it with a decreased decimal places, and increment also you can do it with the help of increased decimal places. So these are the very few formatting tools I am just talking about. Okay, so we are going to discuss about how to use few of these tools from the LibreOffice Calc. Okay, so uses of dialog box to format values. This is what we are going to see. So this is a dialog box. This is a dialog box. This dialog box, how do you get it? You have to go to format tab. You have to go to format tab and you have to choose the option called cells. When you go to format tab and choose the option called cells, you get format cells dialog box. This is a box, you get it. Okay, so are you able to see it clearly? Yes, you will see this dialog box. Okay, so this dialog box, in order to get it, you can use a shortcut key. So what is a shortcut key? Control plus 1. Control plus 1. So shall I take the worksheet? Okay, let me go to LibreOffice. The window is opened. So which one we are doing? Yes, this is a one provision list we have done last week. Do you remember? Yes, let me open the same file. So this is a file we have created. Okay, so let me make the size smaller. So this is the one we have done. Okay, so let me take the unit prices of 40 rupees 78 paise and a single notebook. I'm just using a decimal value to make you understand. Okay, 25 rupees 25 paise, notebook 30 rupees 12 paise. Okay, then pencil box 50 rupees 17 paise. Okay, then this color box is 120 rupees and 39 paise. Then cover paper, which is 3 rupees 78, not 78, 75 paise. Okay, so do you see the decimal values I have entered, and you can see the decimals up to 2 values. After decimal, you can see 2 values, 72.34.17, also here 2323. So after decimal, you are able to see 2 places, right? So how to just make it into multiple places, increase or decrease the value. Now we have a two decimal places. Let me reduce it into one. Okay, so how to do it? Let us do the format tab. Okay, so let me go to format tab and then cells option. Do you see control 1? It's a shortcut key. When you click here, you get this format cells dialog box. You're getting this format cells dialog box. Okay, so in this dialog box you can see numbers tab, font effects, alignments is there, border is there, background, cell protection. So these many tabs are there. You have to just click one by one and you can do what you need. So I'm just clicking on numbers tab, and under numbers you have a category. First select in which category you want to make changes. For all category, so user defined, no, I want to make changes to the numbers because this is a number data type, right? So number I have taken. All right. So we have studied three types of data. What are the data? We studied text data, we studied number, and we studied formulas. We studied about formulas. Okay. So I'm just taking number. All right. So in the number, it's a general, it is format, it's given as general. Okay. And below, if you see the options, decimal places. Okay. Decimal places, negative numbers read. Okay. So decimal places, I want to make it as one decimal places, up to one decimal places. So I selected the decimal place and you can see the format code 0.0. So let me click on OK button. Now, do you see the change? So decimal places are changed, decreased into one place. So after decimal points, only one digit you can see. Previously, it was 2. Is it clear? So how did I do? I went to Format Cells dialog box. How to go to the Format Cells? Yes, go to Format tab, Cells option. Then you get a Format Cells dialog box. Here, select the category. Go to Numbers tab and select the category and select the format. Which format you need? Different types of formats are here. Okay, you can choose the format and you can just specify the decimal values. Okay, so I need decimal values, 4 values. Okay, so do you the format code? Yes, click on OK button. Now, do you see 7200? Because that is only one cell selected. Okay, that's the reason it's coming like this. So let me select the entire row. Okay, control 1, I'll put it now. Control 1. So you can see format cells dialog box appears, and I want to make it 4 decimal places. Okay, so click on OK button. Now, do you see, even though there is no values which says .120.0000. Okay, so this is what increasing and decreasing decimal values using dialog boxes. This is one of the formatting option. This is one of the formatting options. Is it clear? That's good. Okay, so let's go to your textbook. So this is what we have done. So did you understand? Number, general, and this decimal places we can increase or decrease. As you like, you can do. Okay, so formatting a range of cells with the decimal places, that is what I explained. With one cell also we can do, with a range of cells also you can do. So they have given select the range of cells. We selected the range of cells. Open format cells dialog box, click on number tab, select number, change the decimal places as required and click on OK button. Did you understand? Whatever we have done, it is given as a step-by-step procedure. Clear? Okay, so let me do it again if you want. So what is the first step? Select the range of cells. That is the first step. Then open format cells dialog box. Open format cells dialog box. Goes to number tab. Select number category and choose the format and specify the decimal places and click on OK button. It is what given in the steps. Clear? Okay. So next one, formatting a range of cells to be seen as labels. Formatting a range of cells to be seen as labels. So do you know what is mean by labels? Labels means it's a type of data, right? We studied three types of data. The first one, it's called labels. Second one, values. Third one, formulas. The very first one, labels. So what did I say about labels? Do you remember? Yes, labels means which is a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. All these three combination, it's called labels. Okay, so here, see, let me enter one more field over here. Okay, so telephone number. Okay, contact number. I'm just typing contact number. Let me change the size also. Okay, so let me see what is its size, 22. So let me put this one also, and this entire one as 22. Okay. So I'm going to enter the contact number of a particular person. Okay, so let me enter a number. So I'm going to enter contact numbers. Okay, so I'm going to enter number proceeding with 0. Okay, 06985741425. This is a number I entered. Do you see, once after I press the enter key, the proceeding 0, it's automatically deleted. Let me try one more time. See, 09977885554. So this is a 5444. This is a number I entered proceeding with a 0. It may be a STD code, you can think. Okay. So when I press enter, 0, it's automatically deleted. Am I right? Why is it so? Because the values which you entered are considered as a numerical values. Okay, automatically, which is taken as a numerical values. So when you type a numerical value data type, if it starts with a 0, then that will be deleted automatically. And if you would like to get 0 as a proceeding number, then you have to convert this labels, this numbers as a labeled data type. As a labeled data type. See, let me select the range of cells. Okay. Now let me go to format and cells. The format cells dialog box appears, and here do you see number, it's selected. So by default, when you enter the number, the data type, it's assigned as a number data type. Okay, now I'm going to make it as a text data type and click on OK button. Click on OK button. Now you can see it will become a text data type. See, I'm going to enter 09845786992. Let me press enter. Now after pressing enter, do you see that a 0, it's still there, it is not getting eliminated? Yes, because we have converted the selected cell as a data type as a text. If you make it as a text, the proceeding 0 will be there in the text as you type. Got it? That's good. Okay, let's see the next one. Next one, it's formatting a range of cell range as a scientific. Range as a scientific. Let's see how to do it. See, in a spreadsheet, when you enter a date format, which appears in American format. So the American format, it says like the first, it consists of month. Okay, DD means date, Y. It's a year, 4-letter. Okay, so what is American format of entering the date? DD, Y. Okay, so if you see the date 12/9/2018, which means 12, it's a month. Okay, so month of December, it is a month of December, and the date is 9. So 9th December 2008. Okay, this means 9th December 2008. Okay, so if you want to change the format, what do you have to do? You have to select the range of cells. Okay, then open the format cells dialog box. Similarly, the same step. Then again click the number tab. The same tab, and you have to select the category as a date category. You have to select it as date category, and format, you have to choose it and click on OK button, then it will be displayed. Okay, shall we work out this? Yes. So let me go to Excel. Okay, so in Excel, here is the field. Okay, so here I'm going to enter. It is 12/9/2018. That means, okay, 12/9/2018. So let me change the size. Okay, 22. Okay, so here I'm going to make it as see, sizes, let me change it. Okay, and this one, this is month of 12 December 25th. Okay, Christmas Eve. 2020. This is the date I have entered. The next date I'm going to enter 01/01/2021. That is 1st January 2000. Otherwise, we can do month of 2. Okay, February. The date is 29. Okay, leap year. So simply not leap year this year. So let me put it as 28. So February 28 I have written like this. Okay. So if you want to change the date format, I'm just selecting the only one cell. Okay, because different types of date formats are there. So I'm just moved on to cell format cells, and under the category you have to choose date. Okay, so do you see different types of formats are available here? So whatever format you need, you can choose it. Okay, so I want to choose like this, Friday 31st December 1999. Likewise, it has to display the day first, then the date, and then month, and then year. Click on OK button. Okay, something is wrong. So let me choose the second one, format cells, cell. It's a text data. Sorry, it is a date. Okay, date, and I want to display like this. Let me see. Okay, so shall we do like this? We will select the empty cells. Okay, empty cells. In the empty cells, I'm going to format cells. Then I'm choosing date. I'm choosing the particular format. Click on OK button, and now let me enter 12, 25, 20. See, for some reason it is not working. Actually, it will work. Okay, please try it in your system. Okay, so maybe some problem with this settings. So please try that in your system. Definitely it will work. Okay, so whatever I taught, the way I have taught, it's correct. Okay. So then formatting a range of cells to display time. Similarly, time also we can display. So time, how do we display? This is 10 hours, 35 minutes, 53 seconds, then anti-meridian or prime meridian, AM or PM. This is the way normally we write. You can just make it in any format as you like. These are the different types of date format, sorry, time formats. Okay. So if you go here, and if you go format, okay, cells, and if you go to time, you can see different types of formats of time. Okay, the year, date, month, and then hours, minutes, and seconds, whatever you need. AM, PM, only the hours and minutes. If you don't want to display minutes, then you can choose only hours. Okay, so click on OK button. You can get the time. You can get the time, date and time as you like. Okay, so this is a way we can change the date and time. Okay, okay, then next one, formatting alignment of a cell. So alignment means, as I said, there are three types of alignments: left, right, and center. So what we have to do, select the range of cells, open the format cells dialog box, click alignment tab, choose the alignment option which you like. So let me go here. So I'm choosing this quantity. Okay, and format cells. Okay, then you have to go to alignment tab. Go to alignment tab, and you can see the text alignment and horizontal and vertical alignments. You can see now it is in center alignment. Let me put it as a right alignment. Now do you see it is right aligned? The selected cells, the numbers are right aligned. Okay, so this is the way we can align the text in a cell. Okay, then what is next? So here they have given an exercise. You have to create the same worksheet given here. Okay, so and after creating, some activities are given here. Center align row 1. So the first row you have to make it center align. Usage of books class wise. Then make row 1 and row 2 bold. So the first two rows has to be in bold letter. Okay, So likewise, the activities are given. So you have to perform this activity in your system. You please try with the LibreOffice Calc. Otherwise, you can try with Microsoft Word. Okay. The next concept is speeding up data entry. So what is mean by speeding up? So you sometimes you may be typing some data, okay, or entering marks of 100 students. So 100 students. So each time you cannot go and press the enter key and say serial number, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is time consuming. Am I right? So in this case, what you can do is you can just automatically fill the series. Okay, that is called speeding up data entry with the help of fill handle. With the help of fill handle, you can speed up your data entry. So let me go to calc. So as I already told you what is meant by fill handle. Do you remember? Yes, let me take this particular cell. Okay, so let me make the sizes as 22. Okay, so that you can see clearly. So I have taken the cells, and here see in the first cell I am writing January. I want to type January. Okay, so I want to type February, March, April, everything continuously. Okay, so what I'm going to do is you can use a fill handle. Fill handle in the sense it's a small black square at the bottom right corner of an active cell. Do you see a small black dot is there? Looks like a dot, but it's a square, black square. Keep the cursor, it changes into a plus symbol, click and drag it. So do you see June, July, August, September, October, November, December. I have changed it. So this is called automatically filling. And if I want to fill numbers 1 to 50, 1 to 50 or 1 to 20 or whatever I need, I can do it. So what I have to do is first enter the numbers. Okay, see I have entered 1 and 2 here, 1 and 2 here. You have to make the two entries. You have to write two entries and select both the entries. After selecting, just click and drag using a fill handle up to the numbers what you need. Okay, so I want up to 25. See, so speeding up data entry. So using a fill handle, you can speed up your data entry. For that, you have to enter the first two values in the first two cells. Then select both cells and click and drag it. And this will work only for the logical series. See, for Sunday, I have written only one day, Sunday, and I dragged it, remaining days automatically has come. January, February, I have written only January, the remaining things had come automatically. For numbers, I have written 1 and 2. Why is it so? Because if I type simply 1, okay, here I am typing 1. I'm just selecting the cell, okay, and if I click and drag it, the computer does not understand what I need, which will automatically fill. See here it is giving actually one by one. Normally it will give one in the remaining cells. Always you have to fill up two entries. Okay, so let me do it here. Okay, so now I'm having one in this cell. Okay, one, and in the next cell, see now the date time format it's working. Okay, so let me see here what does the date works. 2/12. Okay, so here time it's working. Similarly, date is also will work. Okay, so let me enter 1 here. Okay, so let me enter 1. Okay, here 3. So what is the type of numbers I'm entering? 1 and here 3. So what type of number they are? They are called odd numbers. Okay, so select both the cells and click and drag it. See, you can see only odd numbers displayed in the cells. So the way we specify, the computer understand the same method. Okay, so if you type 1 here and if you drag, then remaining cells also you will get only 1, because computer understands that you want to just display 1 in all the cells. So if you type 1 in first cell and 2 in the second cell and select both the cells and drag it, then computer will understand that you want the number in a one increasing manner, one by one increasing manner, and which will give you the number series like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In that way it will display. Okay, so how does the fill handle works? It is used to fill logical series quickly. And what we have to do, we have to enter the first two values in the first two cells. select both cells using the fill handle, click and drag it. You will get the logical series automatically. Okay, please do not try to type your classmates names and check whether your class names are coming or not. It won't work. As I said, it works only for the logical series, universal logical series. Okay, your class students name list, it's not a universal one, right? Which is only for our school. Only we teachers know the school students name, not anybody else, which is not a logical data series. Got it? That's good. What is okay? Let's see what is next. So this is what explained here in the fill number. Okay, for picking up data series. Then copy paste. How to do a copy paste? See fill handle they have shown here. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Okay. So that's also simple concept. So they have given the workout. So please try to work out the same in your notebook also. Sorry, in your computer also. Wow, students, that's all for today's class. I'm winding up the session now. So today we studied about formatting options. Okay, how to make your worksheet attractive. So you can make bold handwriting, italic, underline, and so many formatting options you can do. In this series, we studied about how to just set the date, time, and how to make the numbers, data as a labels to get zeros and everything we covered so far, and also we covered about speed typing. Okay, so using a fill handle tool, please study the same and from your soft copy. And one more concept it's left, that is called referencing. This is what left. Okay, this is another 10 minutes concept. I'll try to place video today itself, otherwise I'll give you video tomorrow. Okay, please watch the same. Thank you, students. Have a great day.